Welcome to the Ult1Mate Next Gen Towbar installation video for the Mitsubishi Triton with the rear step. The installation times for a professional fitter and beginner fitter are shown on screen. These are the parts that come with the towbar. These are the tools required for the installation of the towbar. We begin the installation by removing the step or bumper. Remove the two bolts securing the rear step or bumper to the rear step support brackets. Repeat on the other side. Remove the step or bumper and place on a soft, clean surface. Remove the two nuts securing the rear step or bumper support brackets to the chassis and remove the support brackets. Remove the backing plates from the chassis rail. Repeat on the other side. Familiarise yourself with the 5 holes at the rearward ends of each chassis rail, which will be used to secure the towbar in place. Position the mounting bracket on the inside of the chassis rail, in line with the holes that will secure the side plates in place. Position the side plate on the outside of the chassis rails. Loosely secure the side plate to the chassis and the mounting brackets by placing a number 4 bolt in the holes. Tighten the bolts to secure the side plates in place, but only tighten enough so the side plates can still slightly move. Add a number 4 bolt and a number 5 nut to the underside hole of the side plate, through the chassis rail. Repeat on the other side. Lift the main bar and lock it into the side plates. Screw in 3 number 4 bolts connecting the side plate to the main bar and add number 5 nuts. Repeat on the other side. Torque the nuts and bolts using a calibrated torque wrench to the recommended torque level on screen. Tighten the underside bolts using a spanner and socket wrench to secure the side plate firmly against the chassis rail. Tighten the horizontal bolts to secure the side plate firmly against the chassis rail. Torque the nuts to the recommended torque level on screen. Repeat on the other side. Torque the bolts to the recommended torque level on screen. Repeat on the other side. Place the step or bumper back on the step mounts. Secure the step or bumper to the step mounts using the original step screws. Tighten and torque up the step screws to 22 Nm. Affix the towbar information label in a conspicuous location on the inner panel of the driver's door opening. You have now finished installing the Ult1Mate Next Gen Towbar for the Mitsubishi Triton with the rear step. Enjoy your towing.